Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word intervened. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The teacher intervened when she saw two students arguing in the hallway. Intervened means to come between or interrupt a situation or process in order to prevent or alter its course, typically to resolve a conflict or issue. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.